Greetings and thank you for joining me at FutureMoneyTrends.com. On August 18th, we did a video about the market would begin to trend down. And if you actually look, that article was posted and published. It's called It's Happening Now. And it was just a few days, literally, before the market started trending down. A few weeks ago, actually in September, we called for the birth of the new gold bull market. However, 2 weeks ago, I made a video called The Gold Bull Market Awakens. And if you go back and watch that video, you'll see my reasoning why the gold bull market had awakened. The big mining shares, the most liquid companies, they have been leading the way since September. Now here comes gold. Now here comes silver. The high quality juniors, while this dead sector that's down 95% actually made new lows on January 19th, the high quality juniors didn't budge. And the next day they rallied. What that tells me is, yes, there are a lot of dead carcasses out there that still need to go, but the high quality juniors, the large mining companies, and the physical precious metals themselves are in a new bull market. And I stand by that call that we started making at FutureMoneyTrends.com in September, but really 2 weeks ago with the birth of the new bull market. And of course, if you watch our video we published on December 31st, that silver would be a game changer for 2016. We state our reasons why. We also made videos in December and early January about gold on why we think gold is going to have a fundamental bull market going on for the next 5, 6, 7 years. None of the reasons we state have to do with inflation, monetary policy, debt. That is all icing on the cake. It literally is. It's just icing on the cake. The fact is there is tightness in supply, there's a surging demand, and the pipeline is weak. When you look at gold discoveries, it's absolutely collapsed. When you look at silver, with a global depression, you've got zinc mines and copper mines shutting down. That's where 2/3 of the silver comes from. So this is the perfect storm for the precious metal investor. Now, the emotions of the market have everybody probably wanting to go out and stand in line like those people in London, or buy some silver, buy some gold, buy some mining shares. Do yourself a favor. For the next 4 or 5 days, just watch. Get some cash and just watch. The mining shares, the high quality mining shares that we've profiled at FutureMoneyTrends.com. We're going to continually be doing updates on those. You'll see articles on our website. We've done updates over the last 24 hours. And, those companies, some of them have had some pretty big runs. And I mean, some of them are up over 50%, like I said in this video. Endeavor Silver, First Majestic, I mean, these things are doing 5 times what the physical metal is doing. That is normal, by the way. That is what's going to happen, in my opinion. As silver goes to 16 and 17, these mining companies, when silver goes up 10%, they're going to go up 50%. We're going to see some massive moves. Remember, these things are down 95%, and liquidity will go to the mining shares, not the metal. As much as people, on YouTube want to trash the mining shares, it's easy when it was going down, but watch what happens when the metals are rising. These things are going to have spectacular gains. But the reason I say wait just a few days, because my honest opinion is we've seen gold make a new 52-week high now, which is significant. But we do want to just let's just wait and get more confirmation, and also give it a chance to have a pullback. I mean, some of these stocks are having parabolic moves right now. So this is not even the first inning of the gold bull market. So don't feel like you're being rushed. Whenever you feel like you're being rushed in the stock market or any market, you're probably about to lose money. So if you're fearful that hyperinflation is starting tomorrow and bank runs, or you're greedy and you think the mining stocks are going to be 10 baggers this week, just put a pause on it. You got to overcome the emotions. Just wait. Give it 5 days. What's 5 days? This thing's been going down for 5 years. Give it 5 days. Let's see how it plays out. I'll come back and do a video next Friday, and we'll really look at some of these precious metal plays. We'll look at as well as the fundamentals and even maybe some of the charts for gold, because technically right now I think gold is absolutely in a bull market. There's no denying it. So anyway, that is my update. Basically, it's the update of saying just hold on here. If you've got positions, congratulations. I don't know if anybody, if you're following First Mining Finance, is one of our favorite gold companies. It was actually down today significantly because it made an announcement that it acquired 1 million ounces of gold. It acquired $12.5 million of cash, but it had 48 million shares added onto it. So people saw that there was some dilution. But if you understand Keith Neumeyer's plan and what he's doing, you would see the genius in this, that the guy is hoarding gold. And remember, if you want to own a company that owns gold, you want to own the companies that have the advanced resources and the strong management team, not just companies that have the name gold in them. Literally, it happens. There's a lot of copper companies are going to be changing their name to something gold over the next year, because it's going to be really rough on those metals. But the precious metals are leading this thing, and it's going to be significant. The mood has changed. I've talked to a lot of bullion dealers. I've talked to other bloggers. I've looked at my own web traffic. Just to give you guys an idea, YouTube for the Vision Victory channel, from the previous 30 days in December to the middle of January, from January to February, we're up 91% in views. The mood is changing in a market. Remember, the resource sector, gold market, is hated. It's seriously at historical lows, and historical low for valuations for the mining shares. The fundamentals couldn't be better than ever. And again, I'm not even going to go into the monetary stuff. I'm saying the fundamentals for the metals themselves and the mining shares could not be better. All that monetary stuff is icing on the cake. And now we are in an uptrend. Gold just made a 52-week high. The big mining shares are surging, literally. Some billion-dollar companies almost up 100% since September. It's early, guys. We're going to make a ton of money in this thing. Just be patient.